Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to fold your Kia Rio backseat. First, ensure the backseat and surrounding area are completely clear of any personal items. Next, gently slide the front seats as far forward as possible. This crucial step provides ample room for the seat backs to fold down without obstruction. Finally, locate the release mechanisms, which are typically found on the top corners of the seat backs or near the base. Getting ready is key for an easy fold. Now, let's release those seat backs. For many Kia Rio models, you will find a small button or lever located on the top outer corner of each rear seat back. Simply press this button firmly until you hear a click, indicating the latch has disengaged. In some variations, you might find a fabric pull strap or a small lever at the very base of the seat cushion. Operate these mechanisms one by one for each seat section. With the latches released, it is time to fold the seats down. Gently push each seat back forward, guiding it smoothly towards the front of the vehicle. Be mindful of the seat belts. Ensure they are not caught underneath or obstructing the folding process. Continue pushing until the seat back lies completely flat, creating a continuous, level surface with the cargo area. This action should be smooth and require minimal force. Congratulations! You have successfully folded your Kia Rio backseat, significantly expanding your vehicle's cargo capacity. This newly created space is perfect for transporting larger items, from groceries to sports equipment, that would not fit otherwise. The nearly flat loading floor makes loading and unloading much easier. Remember to always secure any cargo you are carrying to prevent it from shifting during transit, ensuring a safe and smooth journey. Enjoy your versatile space.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.